Morning, everyone, and welcome to the briefing on Wednesday the 12th. Out the window, really nice day. Beautiful day for gliding, as you can see, because we've got high pressure sat over us. Yeah, that's sort of stabilising itself now. These fronts are the ones that cleared through very late yesterday, overnight really. So it didn't clear enough to go flying yesterday. They're sort of a dying feature really in the channel, just a cloud feature at the moment. There's no rain on them anymore, but pressure's stabilized quite nicely. High pressure at 1042, which for this time of year is really high, and gives the risk of fog in places. You can see the flow is this way round it, and actually it looks like the air over us is coming from the sort of north and northeast, and doesn't quite tie up with the TAFs and the way they're suggesting variable at 2 knots for Farnborough. There seems to be a sort of light northeasterly flow at the moment, and I think that's going to stay there most of the day by the looks of it. The good bits, it's not very long TAF. They're forecasting fog at Farnborough between 9 and 10. When I got here at 8 o'clock, there was a very thin layer of fog just on the ground. So, it is around. It might be in the valleys, but burn off fairly quickly. And this is the important bit. Between sort of 10 and 12, it become Cab OK. Cab OK is no cloud below 5,000 feet, and 10K viz. Not what you want to see in the summer, but for the winter, absolutely perfect. Other places, Gatwick are saying 335 knots, and so are Heathrow. But I think just looking at another forecast, we've got sort of a northeasterly flow. Upper winds. Upper winds, you can see in the channel, northeasterly, 10 knots, 030. Centre of the country, more sort of northerly, coming down here, northerly in sort of Essex, and then coming back easterly down over us and down over the channel. SatPic suggesting similar sort of thing. If you just look and watch the SatPic, the cloud drift appears to be sort of from the northeast coming down here. So I think Norfolk will sort of see quite a lot of cloud, potential for fog a lot of the day there, but we're going to be nice and clear. Should be very pleasant. Temperature wise, not warm, not a strong wind, so there's not going to be a huge wind chill, but 7-8 degrees, maybe 9 degrees that the BBC is suggesting. So fairly pleasant day. And two things on the top meteo forecast. So cloud amounts, bits of cloud in the morning, just clearing in the afternoon. Quite pleasant. That's sort of 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And sort of a quick look at the wind at 30 feet. There we go. Yeah, it's again suggesting this northeasterly flow, very light, only a couple of knots. But it stays like that for most of the day. You can see the purple and blue areas, 3 to 6 knots at the most. So, really nice day. I haven't looked at a soaring forecast. I'm not entirely sure it's that good. There's 1,040, 1,041. There's going to be a strong inversion, folks. So not going to be soarable, I don't think. But light northeasterly winds, very pleasant. So airspace wise, not a lot changed from yesterday and probably the day before. Number 17 is gliding at Abingdon all day. 6 and 13 are the usual ones everybody knows about. Number 12, nothing to worry about. That's activation of the danger area up to 3,000 feet from 9 o'clock tonight till 3 o'clock in the morning. So not going to affect us. In our area here, nothing going on. Operationally, we're going to go on 09, folks, so launch point in the normal place. And we should be able to, I reckon, we'll be able to operate from the grass down there. We'll have a look at it. It should be all right. Yeah, so we'll have a look and decide exactly how we set up. See if we can do a grass operation with the cables on the south side. See how that works. So fairly normal setup. Jet movements. Let me just
come forward. It's 10:25 currently for the 737. It's already here.
Okay. Right, here we go. So jet movements, potential, well, 2 flight plans certainly received and a potential 3rd one here. So there's a 319 at some point this morning. 737 is already in the air. So
South of Berlin.
Okay. Hour and a half, yeah. 10:30ish. We should be able to get going hopefully before that. Get some flying in before we have to clear the runway again. Okay, folks, so that's the potential of 2 definites and a possible 3rd one. And then Thursday and Friday, we've also got movements taking place. Okay, so hopefully good day, and I'll see you out there fairly shortly.